What does it mean if I have spalling on my home's foundation or my home's footing? Everyone, welcome to another edition of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is, what does it mean if I have spalling on my home's foundation or my home's footing?
Thanks, Brian. So spalling is, it's a vague term for any type of damage that is occurring. Often looks like chunks of concrete have eroded or popped off. There's a couple reasons why that can occur, but the most common is the passage of time and the presence of moisture. So when you have spalling or horizontal cracks, the first thing to check is it actually in your concrete, or has water warped that wood that sits atop your footing? Because that is a much less significant issue.
Yeah, and Garrett had the pleasure of learning this week as well. Sometimes some contractors will actually stucco over that weep screed and sill plate to make it look uniform, or that it's one complete system of footing. And that can be confusing if you don't know the exact construction of the whole thing, and we don't know until we get in there.
Absolutely.
But it looked just like a foundation spalling.
Yeah, so essentially what I thought was significant damage was actually just warping that had occurred in the wood that caused a crack, and it was a cosmetic damage only. So certainly inspect your footing, take pictures, you can send them to us, and we'll have some dialogue with you, and possibly we'll save you a trip.
Yep. All right, thank you for joining us with another edition of You Ask,
We Answer.